this video, we're going to look at how to multiply a number by 37,037. So 37 has always like this property that makes it easier to multiply any number. Let's have a recap. So there's a video I did, and we looked at how to multiply a number by 37 alone, not 37,000. So this is like a repetition of 37,037. That's what we're going to focus on now. But in the previous, let's have a recap. It was about if we multiply 37, for example, with a number that is easily divisible by 3, then answers can come very quickly. Okay, so assume now we have 37 multiplied by 15. In this case, in that video that I did, the idea is like you leave everything to do with 37, just focus on 15. Now divide that 15 because it's divisible by 3. Divide that number by 3 and you get 5. So you get 5. In that case now, our answer actually will be that 5 recurring 3 times. So that's going to be 5, 5, 5. So that's going to be our answer. So in this case, if you have 37 multiplied by a number that is divisible by 3, so if you divide and the answer you have, that one will repeat. The answer will be that number 3 recurring 3 times. Now let's now bring the idea that we have here into the skill that we now have here. Let's bring that one to the questions that we have. We have 4 questions. We're going to look at those and see how that one works out. So you see here we have 3 times. So we have 5, 5, 5 appearing 1, 2, 3 times. Now, when you have 37,037, now the answer will still be the same. The principle is the same. The method is the same. The only thing is like it's going to appear now 6 times. So this is going to be 3, 3, 3 plus another 3, 3, like 5, 5, 5. So it's going to appear then these times like this one, and then we're going to have another 5, 5, 5 to be the answer. Now let's look at this. We see the questions we have here are numbers that have divisible by 3. So in this case, let's look at 37,037 divided by 9. So if you want to get the answer here, like I said, let's just focus on 9. And when we focus on 9, we're going to say, what is 9 divided by 3? So we're going to have here 3. So when we divide 9 by 3, we have 3 as our answer. So now in this case, we're going to have 3 appearing 3 times, and then another 3 appearing 3 times. That's going to be our answer there. So it's a quick way of doing the calculation. Let's go to B. In B again, also I'm not even going to look at this number. I'm going to only see 18. Now 18 divided by 3 will give me 6 because it's divisible by 3. So I will have 6. So when I had only 37, 6 will appear only 3 times. But now if I have 37,037, again, I will have another set of 6 appearing there as an answer. Okay. Now let's do then 27. What is 27 divided by 3? So you only focus on this. If you get a number like 37,037, the only thing you want to check on is the number you multiply. So this is divisible by 3. So this is going to be 3 divided by 27. 27 will give us 9. So this is going to give us the first set of 3 9s and another set of 3 9 as an answer. If you want, you can check with your calculator just to see how this is easier. Now let's look at a number that is bigger, because normally it's practical until you reach number 30. But if it's now more than 13, then there's a way in which we now have to adjust. So what is 54 divided by 3. So that's going to give us 18. So remember, we have 18. So in the first thing, I always say just write 18 times 6 times. So then another, so that's like 18, 18, 18. And then have another 18, another 18, another 18. So this principle will just help you to, get a quick answer just by, keep writing. For example, if it was supposed to be 63, you could still write 21, 21, 21. But now in this case now, because 18 is more than 10, we're going to just, the next thing we're going to do is to carry forward. So our answer is going to be here 8. This 1, carry 1, so comes here, makes that one 9. Okay. So again, you have here, so that's 19. So we have again 1 here, carry here, will give us 9. So when we have this 9 here, we carry here 1 again, will give us this 9. We carry 1 here, will give us again 9. We carry 1 here, will give us again 9. And then we carry 1 here, should give us 9. Okay, so basically we just made this one 9. So this 9 here, this one made this one 9. So 19 carry 1. This one made this one 9 here, 19 carry 1. And this one made here this 9, 19 carry 1. This one made this 9, 19 carry 1. Yeah, so we have 1 extra. So that's how you do it. So that's how you do it. So that you have 1,999,998 as our answer. So in that case now, whatever you have, this 18, we'll just carry them forward. This one's carry them forward to make this one 19. And that's how you get your answer. Now, before I finish, I thought people ask me, where do you find this? So sometimes you just want to say, how can we apply this in real life? So sometimes you may be, as a student, have seen an exam where they tested this. And that's why we insist that check on what they are testing in exams, because sometimes when they test, they don't test your ability to do your exams, but they test the relationship between numbers. So now in this case, it's the same. Just find an area. An area is equals to length times width. So area equals to length times width. So this is how you are likely to get this kind of questions. And then they're just testing whether you know the relationship between numbers. Sometimes I see like a number here and multiply by 5. And then you have like question answers, multiple choice to choose from. So you have, and you just have to choose. But if you know how to multiply the number by 5, it becomes easier. You don't even have to take your pen to do it. Now, let's look at this. So we have 37, 0, 37, multiply by 15. So length times width. So in this case, again, we're going to only concentrate on this and divide this one by 3. And that's going to give us 5, 5, 5. And then we're going to have another 5, 5, 5. So we have here square something. So that's how you do your, how you apply this in your real life exams, or if they test, so that you pass your exam. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.